Hello, it's Wayne from Caravan and Motorhome Sales. Today we have this 2006 Mercedes-Benz V350 Viamo. It's done 50,000 miles and it's based on the Mercedes 3.7 litre petrol. So as you can see, you've got the large Viamo awning. It comes with a nice Mercedes alloy wheels. Now they do need a little bit of attention. You do have a bit of damage just there on the wing mirror. There are some very light scratches along some of the panels, but they should polish out. So as you can see, it's popped up and it is in very good condition. So around to the back, you've got some bits of paint damage just peppered along the back, and you do have parking sensors. So a quick look in the back. The leather, as you can see, is very nice. You've got lots of storage in there as well. Okay, so round to the offside. Windows are in good condition. Again, you do have some light scratches just along the panel. Okay, so wing mirrors are good. There's no chips, no cracks. You do have a couple more light scratches there. Windscreen, no chips, no cracks again. There is a lot of paint fade on the front bonnet, so that will need to be resprayed. Okay, so let's have a little look inside. Now it does come with the electric sliding doors, and they do both operate really well. Okay, so starting off at the front, you've got your upgraded Sony stereo there, which has got DAB and Bluetooth. You've got your climate control with cab aircon. As you can see, it also has heated seats for both the driver and the passenger seats, and you can open the doors from the control panel. It is an automatic. You've got multifunction steering wheel and electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights. The dashboard is in kilometers as it is an import. Seats are in very good condition. They are half leather and they both do swivel. So the driver's seat is electric as well, as you can see, and you've got electric mirrors also. So into the back, the electrics work absolutely fine. You've got loads of storage, and you've got your 2 gas burner and your good size sink as well. Oh, forgot to mention, it does come with heated seats at the front as well. So rock and roll bed, that operates perfectly. Goes back nice and easy. You do have loads and loads of storage, absolutely loads of it. Loads of LED lighting as well. And you can operate the other sliding door from here as well, which again operates perfectly. So up top, fabric is fantastic. So you've got no tears, no wear and tear. You do need a mattress topper up here to make it into a full berth. And also at the back, the rear windows are also electric. Right, very high quality vehicle. Any queries, any questions about this model, please don't hesitate to give us a call. As you know, we're a lovely friendly bunch, and of course we're always happy to help. Thank you.